blade of grass, each hardly tree, each bit of mud and stick and stone is blood and muscle, skin and bone.
And just as I need every bit of me to make my body fit, so earth needs grass and stone and tree and things that grow here naturally. That's why we celebrate this day. That's why across the world we say, as long as life has the earth free, I am the earth and the earth is me. We separate things and you should too. Glass, paper, plastic,
Tin, go to your recycling bin. We must start now. We can't wait. Quick, or it will be too late.
adventure smothered, nothing discovered. Nobody traveling from here to there. Luckily for us, they eventually accepted here as a spring. Reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Words we all know. We have to save our planet so we can live and grow. We might be only children, but we will try, you'll see. And we must save this planet. It starts with you and me. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
This little pale blue dot right here is where we all live. And all of those things that were read from that beautiful piece of text, that lovely prose there, all those things happen on that little blue dot.
No pollution, kill pollution, evolution, no pollution, kill pollution, our conclusion, no pollution.
Thank you very much.